if you do me a favor, close your eyes. Open them. All right, that was my application process.
That's just like that.
It was just like that. Like, and I was kind of scared. I was like, okay, are you tricking me? It just happened so fast. I was like, okay, for that application, and it was like 5 minutes telling me how much I was approved for it. I mean, it wasn't even a lot of questions by far. And I was like, okay, this is just too simple. I mean, it wasn't even a week before the car started coming in. I can't explain it. It was just that fast. It wasn't the typical headaches that a lot of people do go through whenever they trying to go back and forth. Hey, I didn't get this limit, or let me call the reconsideration line, or back and forth with my address, or address looking like it's a P.O. box, or hey, what's your code? You know, you didn't get none of that. I didn't run into none of those problems. It was just straightforward. You know, they just wanted my paperwork, want to know what my business was in, asked me a few other questions as far as like my income and my business income, and I mean, we took it from there.
All right. What is going on, family? Marvin Francois here, CEO of Takeoff Financial LLC. And today is a very special day because we are with one of our business funding clients, Mr. Demetrius, who we were able to help get access to $58,000 in business credit in just 1 week of being a part of our business funding program. Super excited to have him here today. We're going to talk a little bit about his story, about the funding, the overall process. But without further ado, let's get right into it. What's going on, Demetrius? How are you, brother?
What's going on, Marvin? How's it going, man? How's it going?
Listen, man, I'm blessed and highly favored, but if I was any better, I'd probably be you, family.
Hey, man, thank you.
Most definitely, man. Most definitely. Very, very excited to be able to have this sit down and just dive into just everything that's, of course, led us up into this point. I know who you are, but for those who are watching who aren't familiar, let's get them a little bit familiar. Tell them a little bit about yourself, right? Let's start off with who you are, what kind of business you have, and what kind of individuals do you serve with your business?
Yeah, no problem, man. My name is Demetrius. I do have a consulting business. Personal finance is what I pretty much specialize in, whether that's helping people with budgeting, whether that's helping them save, reduce their debt, helping them setting up their portfolio as far as investing wise, also going over their retirement accounts also as well. And then what everybody else do, right, as far as being able to help people with their credit. That's something that we do as well with my business. Who do we serve? I mean, it don't matter, man. I mean, white, black, purple, green, yellow. If they're human, they need our help. We're willing to help, man. And that's pretty much my company in a bottle. Like, we just really, really depend on just trying to help people as much as we can in any area when it comes to personal finance.
Awesome. So this is good because, like you said, you're in the finance space and you consult with other people who need an understanding of finance. So this is a perfect segue to my next question, which is, why is having access to business credit so important for business owners like yourself?
The ability to scale, the ability to be able to get into more marketing, the ability to hire more employees, to be able to pick up more systems, more equipment, being able to leverage what you might don't have at the moment to be able to gain more access to that capital, to be able to get the things that you need, right, in order to grow your business. You hear people all the time say they want more money. You want to grow your business, but how do you do that, right? You do that by having business funding. You do that by being able to leverage someone's other money, or OPM money to be able to do that, right? And that's why that is very important for me and other business owners as well.
100%, 100%. So obviously, we work together in helping you yourself as a business owner to get some access to capital. What was one goal in particular that you had when it came to getting this funding, whether it was 20K or 50K or 100K that you were going to get access to and coming through the program, that once I got this, I was going to invest in blank, or my goal was to use this money to help my business do blank?
Yeah. I mean, it was really simple. My goal was to scale my business. I wanted to put more money into marketing. I wanted to put more into my virtual assistant. I want to put more SOPs and more policies and procedures in place for me to really scale my business, right? I want to take things to the next level. I mean, and how do you do that, right? You do that by getting that funding, and I mean that's what it was for me.
So let's get into the meat and potatoes of it all, right? Because we have some context now around just you and just the importance of funding and your goal. Let's talk about the actual process itself, because I'm sure that's what a lot of people who are watching would be very interested in. Walk us through, you come into our company, from the initial conversation that you and I have to where I'm learning about you, your credit, and your goals with the funding, all the way to the finish line where we help you get the 58K. Can you talk a little bit about what that process looked like and what it was for you from start to finish?
It was pretty fast, man. If I'm just being honest, Chase, it might have been a 2-day process, right? I mean, we spoke, went through the application process. Didn't ask a lot of questions, which you typically probably would go through with if you was to go do it on your own. So I would say by having a relationship with a bank relationship manager, the process was very very sped up. And then when we go talk about Truist, it was pretty much the same thing. Now, when we went to a marriage, that was a little bit different, right? So if you do me a favor, close your eyes. I open them. All right, that was my application process.
That's
Like
just like that.
it was just like that. Like, and I was kind of scared. I was like, okay, are you tricking me? You
Hmm.
know, it just happened so fast. I was like,
Right.
okay, I filled out the application and it was like 5 minutes. You
Hmm.
telling me how much I was approved for it. I mean, it wasn't even, a lot of questions by far. And I was like, okay, this is just too simple. I mean, it wasn't even a week before the cars started coming in. I mean, it was, I can't explain it. It was just that fast. It wasn't the typical headaches that a lot of people do go through whenever they trying to go back and forth. Hey, I didn't get this limit, or let me call the reconsideration
Right.
line, or back and forth with my address, or your address looking like it's a PO box, or hey, what's your code? You didn't get none of that. I didn't run into none of those problems. It was just straightforward. They just wanted my paperwork. Want to know what my business was in. Asked me a few other questions as far as like my income and my business income, and I mean, we took it from there. It
Yeah.
was
And
easy.
to give some context for what you're talking about for people that are watching, what makes our funding program special that you yourself got to experience is the fact that, we have in-house relationship managers that work directly with the underwriters at the bank that know exactly what Chase, what Truist, what Ameris want to see so that, if you're going to for funding yourself and you're only getting approved for, five to $10,000 in funding, we're putting individuals like you, Demetrius, in position to where you're getting access to 20 to 25,000 and up in business credit from the same banks just by us having the relationships with these relationship managers that are working with the underwriters every single day. So for you, there was no headaches. You didn't have to chase anybody down, right? You didn't have to fill out 18 different pieces of paper. It was smooth sailing from top to bottom.
And I don't even want to know if I should let them in on this secret, but I didn't even go into the location and I didn't even go open up no checking accounts or no business checking accounts.
Everything was virtual.
It was just
Everything was
that
virtual.
simple.
Yeah, man. I mean, I don't want to say it, but I'm happy that you did too. Everything was super efficient, super simple, and like you said, it was virtual. And once again, you were still able to get access to $58,000 in funding. Most people aren't able to do that on their own, so I think that was really really great. Now, to walk me through this, right? When you see the approval for the $58,000, right? Because some individuals, if you ask the average business owner to save up $58,000 in cash of their own, it might take them a little bit. You got access to that same amount of capital in 1 week. Like, it's very huge. For you, what was your reaction when you saw those approvals come in?
All I could think about was it was just it was just fast. It
Mm-hmm.
just it just happened so quickly. Like, you telling me I got access to $58,000 in less than a week?
Mm-hmm.
Like, usually to save that, you're talking about saving what, $5,000 a month to get to $60,000 in 1 year. So here we
Mm-hmm.
are in a week. I got access to that money. So that was just, hey, what can I say, man? I was just happy to be able to have that quick and to be able to do what I need to do. So I mean, what more can I say? It just happened so fast.
Mm-hmm. So now my next question for you is how do you think your success story shows what's possible when, other individuals work with us when it comes to getting access to funding?
Can you repeat that one more time for me, Mark?
For sure. So now that you've gone through the process and you've had success in working with us on the funding, how do you think your personal success story shows other what's possible when they work with us as a company and Take Off Financial?
Uh, Man, just take the chance.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you won't be disappointed. And if you're someone who is hesitant about like working with someone or skeptical about someone in the space, I say go for it because it makes it a lot easier when you're someone who already an entrepreneur. We got a lot of things on our plate already. Why not go there, go through the process, and get someone to kind of give you that, hold your hand real quick. In less than a week, you're able to have access to the funding that you need. So if you're skeptical or you're someone worried about that process or don't think someone really know to do it, I am someone who's a product and I'm someone that can literally tell you, hey, I promise you it's not hard. And I am very skeptical by nature. I promise you. If I feel like something is not correct or I feel like I get something in my spirit or as my stomach, my gut, anything, I am going the opposite way. So for
Mm-hmm.
me, trust me when I say that it's literally one of those things that if it wasn't true and I didn't think it was legit, I promise you I'll be one of the first people to let you know, like, hey, do not, do not, do not move forward. I promise you.
Man, I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much for your time, and just sharing your story of working with us as a company, because, you know, this story is just one of many that demonstrates the power of what we offer and what we do and how we empower business owners like yourself to not just get access to business credit, but get access to the exact amount of funding that they need to take their business to the next level and beyond. So, my guy, Demetrius, thank you so much. And to everyone who's watching, thank you guys all for your time as well. If you haven't already, click the link above or below this video to go ahead and schedule a consultation with me so that we can talk more about putting you in position to do the same and get your business to the next level with business funding. But as always, family, I'm Marvin Francois. That's my guy, Demetrius. Y'all have been good. We've been great. This has been amazing. Thank you, and God bless. Peace.
Thank you. Thank you.